All right. Well, I've got everything out for the Mustang. Just want to kind of, get an idea of what all I had here. So y'all can see the interior of the car. It's got all the seats and they are covered. I mean, the seats actually are in good shape. Unless it's a color issue, they're fine. There's nothing that really needs to be done to them. They're actually in good shape. I mean, they're not brand new, but there's no holes, no tears, and they're fairly, I mean, they're clean. They're clean. They don't look bad. Don't know that color scheme is going to go with what we want. But for the purpose of this video, I think we are just going to kind of summarize everything we have. I'm going to try to tally a rough dollar figure on the parts that we have, and new, and I'm not really going to hit on the old stuff too much, but there are I'm not going to say everything is here, but he's got baskets full of parts. I got this basket, I'll just show you that real quick. A bunch of, looks like trims, and the sun visors, some headlights down there, random stuff in that basket. These are some parts, which I have 2 of those, but I also have brand new ones of that and those whatever wings on the side. I think I've got the tail light covers. I did not see lenses anywhere. There's those covers, and then over there's the plastic pieces. That's some old parts that were in the trunk. Shouldn't have to use, I think I have replacements for most of that stuff. Maybe not the door seals, but more baskets of old parts, mostly old parts, and another basket of random old parts. Looks like some mirrors, windshield wipers, more headlights, just maybe some random trim. Yeah, so like I said, I'm not saying that I've got everything I need to put this car back together, but we do have a lot of stuff here. So let's go through and just show y'all what I do have. I do have new door panels and the old ones. You can see they're like a navy blue color. Again, we don't know what the color scheme is going to be, so I'm going to put a price on them, but may or may not use those. Got a full weather stripping kit, got a full felt kit. Got a, this is one seat rail kit, brand new. And I've got, these are my sail panels, interior sail panels. They're black, I believe. And then I've got this fiberglass headliner right here. Which, anyway, you can see it. That's it. I don't want to knock my dollies off the wall right now, but yeah, so it's a hard, I don't know exactly how it works, but a hard headliner. I have to watch some videos on how to install that. And along with that, which I don't know with it being a hard one, but there is headliner insulation right there also. So let's get back over here. That is not a new bumper, but it is in good shape. But I do have, I believe that's a front bumper. I do have, I don't know what this kit is. It's a pedal, some other things. I don't know exactly what that is. This is, these are the side pieces that go on the side of that, I'm pretty sure. So that's all brand new. That is my instrument cluster. There's a new face and new bezels for that. It's just some random, I don't know what all these trim pieces are. That looks like a windshield. Yeah, probably front of the hood, I imagine. Got a valance. I don't know if that's the, I think that's the front valance. I think that's the rear valance. Let's see here. So this was a, what come in that box was a body kit. So it's got every handle, door handle, interior and exterior. Came with these bumper guards. These are These are like window, roll up your windows, the rear quarter handles. I forgot what these were. These were lenses for some of the lights somewhere. More trim pieces, aluminum film, dome light. I think those are fog lights. Gap fuel sending unit. The brackets look new. Those are new brackets. Then there's just random other gaskets and things that came in this body kit. Bumpers and springs and just different, yeah, all kinds of different stuff. And then these are my rear taillight. That's some rubber pieces. And this was a bolt body master kit. Full every bolt you supposedly need for the body. And they're in individual baggies. That's a good thing. I'll probably end up buying another one. That's kind of how I ended up with my screw kit on the Thunderbird. But yeah, so you see there, that's pretty much all the interior stuff I have. Just talking about, well, interior and exterior. Just talking about body panels. So we have 2 front new fenders. We have a brand new hood. We have a new trunk lid. We have 1, 2, 3 new doors. I still have the old doors, which I am really leaning towards using. Kind of, I don't know. They, to me, there's nothing wrong with them. They just need to be cleaned and painted. But we're painting everything anyway, so. And I do have the 2 old fenders, right? Yeah, that's it. I got AC heater plenum. Did not see a heater core anywhere, but I do believe I am going with vintage air. Retro sound stereo is what we'll replace that with, but you know, keep all that. And yeah, I missed it somewhere. I have a dash panel kit. I believe that's this guy. Yeah, dash panel kit right there. So I did miss a few things. Window regulaters, more seals right there. I have a hood latch pedestal. I guess that's the one that welds into the car or bolts into the car. And I have the hood latch, new ones. I actually have 2 new ones for some reason. This guy did like me, it looks like, and reordered several things. I have seen some redundant stuff. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, we got a lot of stuff here. Now, do I have $8,000 worth of crap between all of this stuff and the car itself? Say the car as it sits, I don't know, worth $5,000 maybe. I mean, it is a running 350 engine, 351 Windsor, and it has an AOD transmission of some sort. And to me, it looks like everything is assembled and good and should run, but we will see. We will see. I know that's definitely questionable. Oh, another thing, we got new gas tank down there, not hooked up, not even bolted in place, just sitting in there. And I do have all windows except for the front windshield. I have a rear glass, I have door windows. I did see these rear sail windows go in here. They look a little rough, so I probably will buy new ones of those, but we will see. So yeah, that's it. That's the update on the Mustang. I just kind of blew up my garage getting all this stuff out of here, and now I guess I'm gonna spend the next 30 minutes putting it all back up. So these actually, I mean, I might keep one of those, kind of hang that on the garage. I think that looks pretty slick hung up somewhere. I'm running out of space though. Like, not a lot of room in here. All right, let me start putting all this stuff up. I really just wanted to see what I had and yeah, show y'all what I had. Yeah, like I said, I'm pleasantly surprised with everything. It is a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff we are going to have to get, no doubt. This car is going to be different than the Thunderbird in that I didn't take it apart, and it is more apart than the Thunderbird was really at any given point. So yeah, it's going to be interesting. But we will get it. All right, talk to y'all later.